Hi friend, if you are looking this video, that means that you are searching for a trading solution in Bank Nifty or whatever maybe, and you are looking for a strategy that's actually works. I will request you to spend few minutes with me and I will show you exactly step by step that may change the way you till date thinking about trading. I want to introduce with you the Banknifty Trading Pro 2.10 Excel system. Based on this system, it's required no analysis. As you can see in this Excel sheet I am talking about, where you have to enter a couple of data from the website that you will able to capture free and you will be ready for the day the trade. I will show you the detailed demonstration in this video. You can also download the free guide. The link is under the description, which describe everything you need to trade Bank Nifty profitably. Now I will also introduce with you this Bank Nifty Trading Pro 2.10, how to trade Bank Nifty using a Excel based system that require no analysis. I will also show you the detailed tracker and performance update. I am talking about the detailed tracker, the performance, month on month performance that you can check using this Excel system by yourself. I also introduced with you the philosophy of Bank Nifty Trading Pro 2.10 Excel system. I am talking about this system. See, I call it growth like a gardener. So, what is this? See, practice. I want that you practice the art of being good enough. Water your plants once a day, but leave them to stand themselves up against the wind. This is our trading philosophy. Like a gardener, you should water your plant every day. It means you should trade only once in a day and trade so well with a specific strategy that is proven, time tested, and clear and give consistent result that it's like an art. Like a gardener, a gardener or a trader can't approach their work or trade with an overly structured agenda because they have no idea what the weather, that is the market condition, will be, or what the plans, that is the trade result, will become as they change from day to day. That means you don't know what will be the weather, and you don't, the weather here is the market conditions, and you also don't know what will your trade will be after you enter the position, or what is the market conditions today. Now you need to take a gardener approach here. You need to be flexible in your approach, in your trading decision. That is the reason in this Excel we have different plan for the day: conditions 1, conditions 2, conditions 3, and based on those conditions we have detailed plan that is little bit flexible in nature, that is not very rigid. Like a gardener, you cannot trade with a very rigid plan of action. You need to be flexible because you don't know how the weather, that is the market conditions, and how the plant, that is the trade, will grow. You need to have a multiple alternative solution. Good point is that these all the solutions are actually done by this Excel sheet, and this Excel sheet will guide you exactly what to do when. I will show you the demonstration. Now this is the problem when we trade with a strategy that is not so clear. Now what's happened is that when we approach our trading and then we find the things are like a plant, uncertain, the growth of the plant is uncertain, the weather, the market condition is also uncertain, then we fail to understand that exact what step we need to do. If you have this Excel sheet, this Bank Nifty Trading Pro eliminate all those things because it's help you to plan your trade beforehand with a little bit dose of flexibility. I will demonstrate with you exactly how you can do this using the free data available. You can download the guide, the free guide. You can find the link under the descriptions where you will able to download a PDF guide, details, demonstrations with chart, example, and everything you need. Okay, I now quickly want to show you the performance of this Excel based trading system. So far, as you can see that here I am showing you the performance February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. I also show you the performance of November, December. This is my master sheet and it's updated till October. I have also the November and December tracker. I will show you shortly. As you can understand that the Excel has generated so far 1,15,827. As you can see, it is written here without SAR. SAR is a concept that is stop and reverse. Now that means if the stop loss has taken, then you reverse the trade. If you don't do that, then your profit comes around 1,15,827 this month since February. If you apply this R, then your profit comes around 1,56,903. And the good point is that you can audit this performance based on this Excel sheet. What you have to do, you have to just go to the trading view free website where you can get the chart and you can plot the data. You can plot the data here. You can plot this data, open, high, low, close, and 8-period exponential moving average. Here you can check the trade. The trade should comes automatically. The idea of the trade, the plan of the trade should comes automatically in this Excel, and you can check the performance going back and everything. I will also in this free guidebook I actually give all the trade result day by day, all the trade result day by day. You will receive this Excel sheet in this free guide. It is included for you. And so what you have to do is simply go to the any date and enter the data in the Excel and check what is the performance. This should be so much transparent. I will give you this tracker also using with this free guide you can download. Now I will show you one of the trade example recently. But before that, I want to show you one more thing, that is just a minute, give me a moment. See, one of my student, Shukanta, has recently doing very well with this, and he have checked. He said, "Hayashis, I have calculated the back testing result of Bank Nifty. I have given him to back test the result using this Excel for November and December, and he submitted me this Excel, and I will show you this Excel and." This is done by him, and as you can see, he did very well. He did very well, and the performance as he recorded is that in November month, total 1,120 point was the November month performance. So around 1,000 point means 25,000 per lot. Now, sorry for this disturbance. It is showing on. Okay, fine. So this Excel sheet has this capability. This Excel sheet has this capability. What is the result for the December? Let's me show you the result of the December. and it's done by Shukanto. Like Shukanto, you can do it by yourself also. Anyone can anyone can check it. What is the performance? Now I will show you the December result. So it is backtested by him. Anyone, as I said, anyone can backtest. I don't record my track record to show you. That was 999 point, by the way. It is around 1000 point in December already. So you can do like Shukanto, you can do like another my student who generally does this. They do very well using this. Now I will show you. I will show you now how so see Ashish, one of my student, he also test this result and see what he is saying. Sir, today it is working. Sir, today it is working. Need some clarification regarding the condition one tab data. Thanks. Yeah, and he is also updated the Excel tracker, and he needs some clarifications. And I always ready to give any clarifications anyone needed as and when required. Okay, now I should show you how you can do these things, right? And that's the idea. So that's simple. What you have to do is that you have to enter couple of simple data at the 9:30 a.m. every day. As I mentioned, our philosophy of trading is like a gardener. Like a gardener, you will water your plant only once a day. And like a gardener concept of philosophy, like a gardener philosophy of trader, you will trade only once in a day. And when you will do that, you will trade it at 9:30. What you have to do at 9:30? Now simple. As you can see, this Excel, let me enlarge this Excel for a minute. This Excel has everything. I have given some instructions here. You can check, and so once you will enter the data, I will show you how. Then you have to move to the step 2, as it's mentioned. Start here. You have to enter the data here. Then in step 2 you will find what is the trading plan 2 today, sorry, and then you can check whether it is a conditions 1, 2 or 3. Like a gardener, we have little bit flexible approach because we don't know the weather for the day, that is the market conditions, and how our plan that is our trade will mature. Now based on these conditions, suppose you got a conditions like a 1, then you have to go there and you can check the perform, you can check the uh, trade plan for the day. The trade plan for the day should come automatically, like like conditions 2 and conditions 3. All the conditions will automatically guide you with little bit dose of flexibility, as I mentioned, because this is our philosophy. Now what we need to do, as you can see, this is a chart of I suggest to take from tradingview.com. Tradingview.com is a free charting software. You can avail this software, and here the instrument we trade Bank Nifty, and in Bank Nifty, index future continuous current trade. The code of this is Bank Nifty one exclamator, that you need to download, my friend. Remember the code Banknifty one exclamator. It is the contact you need. You do not need any other contact. What you have to do, you have to also plot a exponential moving average of 8. That is very important, and you can do it in this indicator and strategies. Under indicator and strategies you will get that. When you will plot this, you are ready. What you have to do, like a gardener, you will water your plant only once in a day. Similarly, at 9:30, see the first candle. This is a 15-minute candle, by the way, and at the first candle, when you will Fine, the first candle of the day has completed. That means when? That means at 9:30. What you have to do, you have to enter the data. You have to enter the data: open, high, low, close, and 8-period exponential. All the data you will get here automatically. So let me show you one thing. So if I, as you can see, if I plot the data, so if this is the first candle and the open is 30041, 30041.05, and then I have to enter the data on the high of the day, high of the first 15-minute candle, that is 273.50. I have done with this, and I will move to the next data, that is low, and the low is 30021.60, and I will move to the next data, that is close, and the close is 302 30244, and 8 EMA data, that is 29970.09. That's it. At the opening of the market, you will wait 15 minutes, and at 9:30 you will give the water to your plant. You will enter the data of the open, high, low, close, and acute exponential moving average in this Excel sheet, and you are ready. So what is next to do? You have to go to the step 2, and in step 2 you find that it is clearly mentioned condition 1 is yes, and it's mentioned check conditions 1 tab. So we have to move to the conditions 1 tab, and your trade is ready. What you have to do, it says that you have to place a buy order at 30277 and the sell order at 30019. So it is generally telling you to place a buy order at 30277. You will place a buy stop loss market order at 30277. So let's place a line here to understand. I am placing a horizontal line here, and so my line should be 30277. So this is 30278. Okay, it's okay, fine, and we have to place a sale order at 30019. 30019, place the sale order. Okay, um, so 30019, 30019, 14. This is somehow 19. It's not exact, but it's serve our purpose. Okay, so what is according to the plan at 9:30 you have an indications based on your trading guide, which is a little bit flexible in nature, not very rigid. Our philosophy is like a gardener, and you will place a buy order at 30277. Here we have placed a buy order here, and you will place a sell order at 30019. Okay, 30019, and it says that what is your exit plan? Your exit plan says that exit if buy order trigger at 315. What it means, it says that if buy order has triggered, then you should wait for exit at 315. Target if sell order trigger. Now if the sell order trigger, then this should be target 29718. But as you can understand that yesterday we had a buy order execution, so there is no constraint of sell order. Now you can ask why it is giving you this type of option. Like a gardener, you don't know what will be the weather conditions and your plant will grow. That's the reason you should have a plan A and plan B ready, little bit flexible. The problem when we do trade with this other strategy is that it didn't give you the alternative suggestions what to do if things are changed, and we stuck and we take random decision and then we lose money. My dear friend, this is the one valuable lessons I want you should take from this today's video, that you should have all the available alternative ready. So this Excel sheet is actually guiding you with all the plan A and plan B, as it's clearly stated that in the sale order, it stated first you that you should place two order. You have placed two order, and you don't know what will be the weather conditions or the market conditions. Your buy or sell, any trade can execute. Once of the trade will execute, then you should have ready what you will do if the buy order execute, what you will do if the sell order execute. Now if the buy order execute, then it is said that you should hold the trade till 315. It's give you a clear strategy what you have to do. Now, if the sale order triggered, its givable level 29718. So our sale order was at 30019. 29718 will be your target. Alternative target if buy order trigger for conservative trader. If you are conservative, or if you want to if you want to book profit, you don't want to hold till 315, then 258 points should be your target. So roughly around say 260 point, and from your buy order is at 32277 at 258 point, and that will be your target for the day. It's up to you. Now what will be the target then? 277, that is say 280 point, roughly your fill is 280 point, add another 200 point, that means 480, and another 60 point, that means 540. So 540, 540 should be your target for the day. As you can see, the high of this candle was 30576. So your 258 point target was achieved for the day. Now this is for conservative trader, and for aggressive trader they should hold the trade till 315, and if they hold the trade till 315, then also they have roughly around 200 point. Now as you can see here that if you hold the trade till 315, then your profit is less, but that is the case for single trade. In long term, holding till 315 will be the beneficial from my understanding. And if you want to go conservative, then you can also choose this. So it is a little bit flexible, like a gardener, as I always mention. So my friend, with this I will end this video today, and this is a great tool you should have, and you should focus on the philosophy of the trading. That is, your growth should be like a gardener. Practice the art of being a good enough. Just do one trading strategy. Just take one trading strategy and become very good at it. Very good at it. What are your clients once a day? Trade only once a day. Don't trade throughout the day, multiple positions, managing. Don't do that. Like a gardener, water your plant only once a day. Like a gardener philosophy trader, trade only once a day. But leave them to stand themselves up against the wind. Trade so well with the strategy as if it is an art. Right? You should be focused on become a gardener. Like a trader can't approach their work with an overall structure and agenda. See, agenda structure doesn't work in the market, right? When you will actually trade live basis market, things are completely different every day, like weather, and you don't know how your trade will play out, how your plant will grow. You nurture two plant exactly same way, you will find different result. You will take a trade to trade based on a strategy, same strategy, your trade result is different. So how you will approach this type of things which is not structured enough? The market always behave randomly, sometimes changes mood, changes movement, and your trade outcome is uncertain. Bank Nifty Trading Pro 2.10 give you a flexible and flexible trading plan so that you can grow like a gardener. Thank you so much for being with me so far. Have a nice day, and I wish all of you Happy New Year. Take care.